from Intel's Educational Media, and today I'll teach you coding without any laptop or computer, only with phone. So let's start it. So first of all, you have to go on Google and search EduBlocks, EduBlocks, blocks, EduBlocks. Link of EduBlocks in the description box. So click on the first link, and click on start creating. Then scroll this page, and there will be two options, one of login and one of continue. We have to click on continue and select your mode. We have to click on Python 3. That's for beginners. And now click on Turtle. First of all, you have to take Turtle from Turtle import and Turtle screen, and done. You have to take pen color, Turtle pen color, and then Turtle forward. Then you have to again check Turtle forward and then make it backward 45, because the half of 90 is 45. And then again check Turtle forward and take Turtle right, and then take Turtle forward, and then there are three lines. You have to click on them, and after clicking on them there are so many options. You have to click on run. There's run option, and that's loading. That's our T. It's working. You have to click on run, then it will run. So this was the first class of Python program. Hope you like it, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.